become a peer educator during the lockdown, and when I joined the club, I learned a lot, including building self-esteem and confidence. I became one of the active members. From the club, I learned to meet different people, different friends. Through drama, we could teach in a community. There are different kind of people you meet. Challenges, you find those ones in hard situations, and from the knowledge that you've got, you can really stand with that person. And I love it so much to meet out young people, building them in what good thing I am. Yeah, education matters a lot in the life of a child. Once you build it and they admit it, they have changed, and their lives have been changed indeed. I want to be a voice to the voiceless. I want to be a life transformer, if not through giving them something, not material things, but what I've got and what I've learned, I can still give them. That is it.